Magbabalik ang sikat na Korean series na Squid Game makalipas ang 3 taon. Ang Squid Game Season 2 ay mapapanood na sa Netflix sa darating na December 26, kung saan itutuloy nito ang istorya ni Song Gi-han na ginagampanan ng Korean star na si Lee Jung-jae. Ang exciting news ay inanunsyo mismo ng streaming platform sa pamamagitan ng isang video announcement. "It's been 3 years. Do you want to play again?" sabi ng frontman habang mapapanood ang ilang players na nagpapaunahang tumakbo sa isang racetrack. Kung curious kayo kung ano ang magiging kwento ng Season 2, heto ang synopsis. 3 years after winning Squid Game, player 456 remains determined to find the people behind the game and put an end to their vicious sport. Using this fortune to fund his search, Gi-han starts with the most obvious of places. Look for the man in a sharp suit playing Dakji in the subway, but when his efforts finally yield results, the path toward taking down the organization proves to be deadlier than he imagined. To end the game, he needs to re-enter it. Hindi pa riyan natatapos ang excitement dahil ang ikatlo at final season ng sikat na serye ay nakatakdang i-release sa taong 2025. Samantala, inihayag din ni Hwang Dong-hyuk, ang creator at direktor ng sikat na serye, ang kanyang excitement para sa bagong masasaksihan ng fans. "I remember thinking, wow, I can't believe I am back in the world of Squid Game. It almost felt surreal. I wonder how it will feel for you to be back in Squid Game after 3 years as well," saad niya sa isang statement. Nabanggit din niya na ang upcoming seasons ay magfo-focus sa labanan sa pagitan ni Song at ng frontman. "I am thrilled to see the seed that was planted in creating a new Squid Game grow and bear fruit through the end of this story. We'll do our best to make sure we bring you another thrill ride. I hope you're excited for what's to come. Thank you always, and see you soon, everyone," aniya pa. Kung matatandaan, taong 2021 nang unang ipinalabas ang Squid Game na naging most popular series at most watched series ng Netflix sa buong mundo. Umani ito ng mahigit 1.65 billion viewing hours na pinanood ng mahigit 142 million households sa loob ng halos isang buwan. Nakuha rin ito ang number 1 spot sa Today's Top 10 across 94 countries. Maliban sa massive viewership, gumawa rin ito ng kasaysayan matapos humakot ng parangal sa iba't ibang prestihiyosong international award-giving bodies. Kabilang dyan ang Outstanding Directing para sa direktor ng serye na si Hwang Dong-hyuk, at Outstanding Lead Actor para sa magaling na pagganap ng Korean actor na si Jung-jae na nakuha sa Emmy Awards. Kinilala rin ng Squid Game na breakthrough series sa Gotham Awards, at naiuwi rin ito ang binge-worthy show of 2021 sa People's Choice Award at ang AFI Special Award.